In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start Instagram marketing? I will give you some of the best Instagram marketing tips to help you set up your brand for success. If you follow these tips, and you can improve your results with Instagram. Hi, my name is Ashley. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get into the tutorial. Here we go. As far as social media marketing channels go, Instagram has been a major player for quite a while. Now, this is particularly true for e-commerce businesses which get access to a visual-focused platform with enthusiastic followers and high engagement. In the past few years, Instagram has grown and evolved at a rate similar to Facebook, quickly adapting new features including Instagram Stories and Instagram Reels, and becoming even more valuable to merchants and users alike. Let me now tell you about why you should use Instagram for marketing. Instagram is now a staple of many small businesses' marketing campaigns, and for good reason. Did you know that it has a large and diverse audience of over 1 billion monthly active Instagram users and 500 million daily Instagram Stories users who are happy to engage with brands, resulting in high engagement overall? Much research and many case studies have clearly demonstrated the benefits of an Instagram marketing strategy, finding that it translates directly into sales and leads for businesses and brands. Did you know that nearly 11% of US social media users shop on Instagram, and around 130 million people tap on Instagram shopping posts every single month? Let me tell you that people are using Instagram earlier in the buying cycle, with about 80% using the social media platform to research products and services. Did you know that 80% of Instagram users follow at least one business profile, and 70% of users say they've purchased a product they've seen on the platform? And around 61% of people say they have become more interested in a brand or a product after seeing it in an Instagram story. Now, in general, Instagram users are more than happy to follow brands on Instagram, where they are actively discovering and purchasing products on their Instagram feed. It's also worth noting that Instagram continues to invest in helping e-commerce brands and stores turn engagement into sales. Let me give you an example. Instagram ads, when done correctly, often see excellent results and offer high engagement. Shopping on Instagram now streamlines the Instagram sales process. Business profiles with over 10,000 Instagram followers can add swipe-up links to Instagram stories to help drive traffic directly to their site, something that was otherwise difficult to do on the platform. Instagram keeps expanding, making it more valuable to merchants and e-commerce businesses, especially if they have products with a strong visual appeal. The best part for you, the Instagram algorithm shows your content to users based on their interests and behaviors in the app. This makes it easier for you to reach Instagram users who are more likely to engage with your brand and get more results from your Instagram marketing efforts. Let me now tell you how to create an Instagram business account. For you to start using Instagram for marketing, you'll need an Instagram business account or an Instagram creator account. If you already have a personal Instagram account, you'll just need to switch to an Instagram business profile in the Instagram app. Here is my next tip for you: optimize your Instagram profile. To get started with marketing your business on social media, you'll first need to handle the basics of setting up your Instagram account. You will need to fill out your contact information. I suggest that you have a keyword optimized description, and don't forget the emojis, and choose a profile picture that's easily identifiable, like a logo. Now, this is a good start, but to get the most out of your Instagram marketing strategy, you're going to want to take your Instagram account to the next level. Let me now give you some top tips on how you can do this. The first thing I suggest you use is clickable hashtags. These can now be added to your profile description by entering the hashtag symbol and then the desired phrase, just as you would on an Instagram post. Now, if you want, you can get instant access to further Instagram marketing training. You can click the link under the video at any time. Let's get back to those tips. Focusing on your branded hashtags can help you build a community around your business and find content others are creating about you. Furthermore, including popular and relevant hashtags can be an easy way to add additional visibility to your Instagram content without a significant amount of additional work. The next tip is to include clickable profile links. There are several options for how to use this that I will tell you about. One way you can do this is to set up a link in bio page using a tool like Linkpop or Linktree, so you can curate and display your products and online store using just one link. You can now also add clickable links to other user profiles in your own Instagram bio. If you have a second profile for a sister company, you can use a clickable link to direct traffic there. If you're hosting a contest with another merchant, you can link to them when discussing the contest in your bio. You can also use this feature to send people to your personal profile if that fits with your branding. My next tip is to use story highlights. This relatively new feature lets you add expired stories to different featured categories, which will be listed above your Instagram feed on your profile. This helps your profile look fleshed out and lets you showcase certain key Instagram content like user-generated content or posts that highlight your brand's story. So the next tip is to add a View Shop button. If you choose to turn on Instagram shopping on your profile, you can also place a call to action button that sends followers to your in-app store. Here is my next tip. Create your content strategy. Instagram has one of the most active user bases across all social media platforms, with 63% of Instagram users logging in at least once a day. They also spend an average of 28 minutes on the app. If you want to get results with Instagram marketing, you will need to know what types of posts perform best. Here are some questions you may want to ask. Does your audience like Instagram stories most, or do they prefer standard Instagram photos? While every demographic is different, there's fortunately been a lot of data compiled that can give you some insight on where to start. Instagram users enjoy a broad range of post types. I suggest that you include promotional posts, motivational quotes, product photos, DIY or tutorial content, and images shared from other users, i.e., user-generated content, into your content marketing strategy. With that being said, users want to see diversity. They will get bored or annoyed if you just use one type of Instagram post for too long. I suggest that you use Instagram videos because they can share more information with users, making them valuable. Still, if you're going to use videos on Instagram, be sure to keep it short, even on IGTV. Instagram users are predominantly mobile users, and they aren't likely to stick around for more than 10 to 15 seconds at a time. Of course, many of the world's most creative brands and artists are pushing the limits of Instagram stories. Keep an eye on how your competition is using Instagram marketing to generate inspiration. In many ways, the aesthetic of the images and videos are a lot more important. Instagram is, after all, a visual-centric platform. Here's what I want you to know about the content that performs best on Instagram. Lighter images perform better than darker ones. More background or white space is preferred. Images with blue dominant colors perform over red dominant colors, and images with a single dominant color perform better than those with multiple colors. Images that feature contrasting textures tend to generate more likes. Writing creative and engaging Instagram captions that supplement your content can help improve your visibility. You can use Instagram captions to direct your audience to your website or a blog post, or even enter a contest. From product carousels to interactive content like Reels, there are many ways to engage with an Instagram audience and spice up your followers' feeds. It just takes a little know-how. I suggest that you should have an experimental mindset when it comes to your Instagram marketing. Not every video or image is going to be a hit, but by testing different types of content and Instagram stories, you can find the type of content that works for your audience. So, of all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start Instagram marketing. Make sure you don't forget to check out the link down below to the Instagram marketing course. This course will help you develop your digital skills and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a profitable business with Instagram. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. You can find the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.